You guys,
It's a
real quick,
pleasure.
I'm gonna bring it back to the States real quick, and I'm gonna have Jessica share before I break down the 2 hour workday with you guys. Jessica, are you with us?
Yes, I got to unmute myself. Can you hear me?
Perfect.
Good. I'm in the car. So we are in the car headed on our very first 10-day vacation that was not put on a credit card, and none of the expenses while we're there will be put on a credit card. So my entire life, like I got a credit card when I was 18. I've had credit card debt my entire life. And I say all that to say, I thought digital marketing was something out of my reach. I thought digital marketing, making money online, was for people that had a big following, for people that knew how to create websites or that were really smart in the tech stuff, people not like me. So when I started looking at digital marketing, it was very overwhelming to me. And I would get in those rabbit holes and I would not understand. And I bought 5 other things. If you've ever heard of shiny object syndrome, I had that for almost a year. And I just kept saying, if I put this in my link, I'll make money. And I didn't know what I was doing. I was just putting stuff in links. I was just trying to figure stuff out. I didn't have help. I didn't have a mentor. And I didn't understand what digital marketing was. And then I saw Michelle. And I've said it and I'll say it forever, but this is not a course to resell a course. Hey girl, buy my course. This is an electronic class that you can plug into at your time, on your convenience, on your schedule, and watch videos. We had 9 Zooms last week. I didn't watch all 9 of them. You know, you can watch it when you're ready, or if you're not, you don't have to. And I made $10,000 in 2 months. And it blew my mind, I know, right? So Michelle had a push back then in November, let's make 10K by Christmas. So November the 1st, I committed to everything Michelle said. Like, I watched every video, I plugged into those daily videos. Right? I say it all the time, but who wouldn't want a video every day from a lady that's making $1 million? And you know, we've made this income with no monthly fee. If you come from the MLM world, I've sold MLM since I was 20. Pampered Chef, Mary Kay, Avon, 31 Modair. I've sold it. I had to buy product. I had to buy catalogs. I had to deliver product for $5, $10, $20. And I just made $100K in 6 months without a monthly fee. Yes, praise the Lord. Just watching Michelle and doing what she does and being myself. For the first time in my life, I don't feel like I'm selling anything. I don't feel that way. I will never feel that way because this has taught me how to make income online, regardless. Like, it's taught me how to find other ways, other streams, other avenues, how to be affiliates, how to do things without showing our face, how to make like market ads and do things that I would never have dreamed of. And I didn't even make the website. I didn't make the classes. Like, I'm not, Michelle is pouring into it. And something that's really hit me hard the past few months is we have a mentor that doesn't just tell us what to do every day, but she does it with us. She's making her money the same way we are and pouring into us and doing it alongside of us. And that's really like, I don't know if anybody else feels that way, but it's like, oh, she's doing this with us, not just telling us what to do. So I just want to encourage you that this is different than anything that's available to you. And it's not a course to resell a course. It's done for you. It's mentoring daily. It's tech support. Like, I didn't make our website. Michelle gave it to us. So we get to make money off it. I'm headed out to this vacation, making money while we're in the car. And we're going to be able to do this the whole time we're gone. This is paying for us to travel and to not work as much and do the things that we want to do and have a life. So I prayed for a long time for the Lord to bring something into my family's life that was real and where I could keep my testimony. And, you know, like Michelle says, I really thought the only way to make money on TikTok was to shake your bum because I didn't know. And you can really find yourself, be yourself. This has grown me so much since November, and be the person that, you know, that God wanted you to be, and still help other people change their life. Because I saw on the news, inflation is 2.9% higher from this same exact time last year, back to school time. 3% higher than a year ago. And the wages have not went up at all. People are struggling. And the power of social media is changing people's life. It's different. It's a different world than when we were 20. So it's way different. And I just plug in and get with the person that brought you here, because they have a vision, just like Michelle, because she is contagious.
Oh, thank you for sharing. And I love the fact that you can just get on here for 5 minutes and then go back and hang out with your family and make the most amazing memories and not have to put it on a credit card.
That's such a blessing. Thank you.
Jessica come on and share, you guys, because she has to bounce. She's got some things she has to do. I think she's still on vacation with her family. So I'm just going to have her share with you guys real quick. So Jessica, you should be able to unmute and take it away, my friend.
Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, perfect.
I'm actually in the pool at the beach. The ocean is very rough today, so we're in the pool. So thanks for having me. Before I get started, I just want to share that this is the first time in my entire life I've ever been on vacation without a credit card. Right? The house, like we went to Busch Gardens for 3 days and the beach for 7 days, like all of it. Vacation is expensive. I mean, life is expensive. And because of Michelle and because of what she saw and her vision to help us make money online, here we are. Sorry, my earbud keeps right because my ear. Take that out. Can you still hear me if I take that out?
Perfect.
Okay, good. Thank you. Sorry. So the beauty of this is you can take it anywhere. I had a $3,000 day yesterday, or $4,000. I can't even remember. It was insane. And I was at the beach in the ocean and swimming and like at the candy store, because I've only been to the candy store 4 times since I got here, because candy is life. Let's get in a call there. Let me get rid of it. So I was the skeptic. If you're new and you've just followed and just got on here or whatever, like that, I was like, there's no way people can make money digitally. Like, I come from house parties. I come from like Pampered Chef parties and Mary Kay parties and lugging your stuff into people's houses. So to make this kind of money electronically it wasn't me. There's just no way someone like me could do that. That's what I thought. And I watched for a long time. I researched for a long time. I bought 5 other digital things because I thought, oh, well, what they have is best. Well, if I put that in my bio, I'll make a lot of money. And nothing has the mentoring like Legacy Builders. And no one mentors and pours into us like Michelle. So I live in a double-wide trailer in West Virginia in a holler, which is a valley. If you don't know what a holler is, my Wi-Fi, you got to pump the sunshine in where I live. So, I've had obstacles, but being a skeptic and the image of you had to look a certain way or have a big following was what I thought. I just didn't think people like me could make that kind of money online until I met Michelle. So I just urge you to plug into her, because I come from like MLM, all the things, I've always had a second job, waiting tables, always had to have something in my back pocket to make ends meet. And now we have $4,000, $5,000, $7,000 days because of Michelle's mentoring. So I just literally just plugged in, did everything she says. I don't have a mentor. Michelle is my mentor, and she's taught us to have $20,000 months. So I don't want to keep you long, because I know lots of people want to talk. I just wanted to come on and say, listen to the person that brought you here. Listen to Michelle, because it's a different society now. It's a different world. We live in an electronic world, and this is literally a class that will teach you how to make money from every platform that you have. And she pours into us every day. It's changed my life. And to all the Lord, I give the Lord all the credit, and Michelle, because she's very selfless. And I just wanted to say thanks.
Oh, well, thank you. And I'm so excited for you. Isn't that awesome? You're on vacation and you have a $4,000 or $3,000 day. I mean, that's passive income.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, I'm so proud of you. I love your tan, by the way.
Oh yeah, we've been on vacation for 7 days, so it's time to go home tomorrow, back to reality.
Well, have fun, my friend, and thank you for sharing.
You.